Hello, students. It's Ms. Rolfe, and I'm going to walk you through how to create an Adobe Spark presentation. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to get to the portal.austinisd.org. Sorry, I'm doing this in real time, so you're just going to have to wait. So this is my portal. It might look a little different than yours, and Spark came up for me, but in case it doesn't, if you just type in Spark or Adobe Spark, there we go, it should come up. And then you're going to need to log in with your AISD account. So when it loads, it might take a minute. Oh, it made me already logged in because I've already logged in today. So I'll go back and do it again. I don't know if I can do it without. So if you click on the portal, anyway, it's going to ask you to log in, and you're going to log in with your school like Gmail account to your Austin ISD account. And it's going to give you a choice between personal or enterprise ID. And you're going to want to pick enterprise ID because that is what your school account is under. And that is how we have free Adobe Spark because AISD pays for it. So then you're going to get a bunch of options up here to start your presentation. And I'm going to suggest that you do either a slideshow or a presentation for this project. Actually, I'm not going to suggest it. I'm going to require it. You can use one of these two. So first I'll show you the slideshow, which is a video. If you want to create a video, which I highly recommend because it's very cool, you're going to give it a title, not Mr. Rolfe's cool project, probably, you know, your name, research paper, or whatever. You can give it a title, whatever you want to do. So it's going to give you some templates for your story. And I'm going to suggest you just do a template instead of making up your own because it's just kind of easier. So I'm going to pick this one, promote an idea. I'm going to click on it. And it's going to like preload some stuff for you. You're going to have to change it. Okay. I'm going to say, okay, I'm ready because I don't need to watch that. You might want to watch that. So it's going to give you options to put in video, text, a photo, or an icon. Okay, so I'm going to start off with adding a photo, maybe. I'm going to find free photos. Actually, I'll go back. Sorry, I went kind of fast on that. So you can upload a photo if you have one on your computer that you want to use for your presentation. And say I had a photo. Do I have any photos in here? I don't know. What do I have? Well, let me look at my downloads. This should be funny. I'm going to have like random pictures. No, not that. I don't know. Here's the Pride Week banner. We'll just throw that on there. There we go. Say this is my picture that I wanted of my photos. Okay. So that's how you do a photo. And then you can add text over it. Yay. Adding text. Oops. I don't really love the way that looks, but you know, you can make it look better. Okay. And that's how you do that's how you add a photo, like uploading. And then say I want to record my voiceover. Hello. I am going to record voiceover right now. This is me recording my voice. Then you let go of the button and then you can listen to it. Hello, I am going to record voiceover right now. This is me recording my voice. You'll notice that there's some music in the background and you can change that music by clicking music up here. You can add your own if you have your own somewhere on your computer, or you can listen to the different kinds. Oh, look, they have ukulele. I'm definitely going to use ukulele. Good. Okay. And then you can change the volume of it to make it louder or softer, and you can turn it off and on if you need to. I like to leave mine lightly in the background of my voice over. You can also change the layout, and you can have it be full screen, or you can do split screen, or you can do caption, or you can just do a title. Okay, that's how I had it. And then you can pick different themes. You can make it light, you can make it medium, you can make it dark. It'll change it down there. You can see it changing. And then there's all kinds of different things here. That's kind of a cool one. I like this one sometimes. It's kind of fun, depending on your topic. But these are the ones you can choose. I'm going to choose Flare. Let's do Flare. Let's have some flair in this. Okay, so that's how you do the theme. Okay, so then you're going to click on your next slide, and you're going to add something here. Say for this one, I want to add a video. You can upload a video from your computer, or that's all you can do in this thing. The other version will let you use YouTube, but you have to upload a video. So say I want to upload a video. I got a little video. Let me see. Do I have videos on my computer? Oh, I do. I have the read, flip, and write video. Say I wanted that in my presentation. And then you'll get this screen.
Hey guys.
You can watch your video, and you can like trim it and like edit it. You can play around. Okay. And then you just hit like save. Okay. I think it'll only let you do 30 seconds of the video at a time. So if you have a longer video, you're going to have to split it up on different slides. I'm just saving my video clip. Sorry. Okay. Cool. We just have to wait. This is the problem with doing this real time. Okay, so I've added my video, and then you just kind of click through until you're done. If you need to add more slides, you can duplicate, you can add them in and change them up, however you want to do it. When you are done adding all your like pictures and videos and words for your presentation, you are gonna do, I would preview it first.
Hello, I am going to record voiceover right now. This is me recording my voice. Hey guys.
As you can see, I did not use the volume high enough on my video, so that you have to adjust. Okay. This is weird. So I've previewed my video. Let's pretend I like this. Let's pretend I like that video, that I'm done. I'm gonna hit share. And I would do publish so that you can get a link, and that you can submit your link. You type in your name and whatever. You don't have to pick a category. I always pick education. And then you hit create link. And then you just got to wait for it. You got to wait. It's going to create the link. I really shouldn't have put a video in this because that's what's taking a long time. So it's going to create a link. And then when you go to submit your final project, you're going to copy and paste that link and submit it to the assignment. But also, every time you change it, you kind of have to update the link. It'll ask you to update your link. And you don't have to do it all in one go. It'll save it for you automatically. So if you don't finish, you can go out and go back in, no problem. It shouldn't lose your work. It's creating the link, still doing it. It's going to take a bit. No worries. Talk amongst yourself. Now look at that. It's telling you what to do while you wait. You can click in another window and do some more work for my class probably while you're waiting for your link. Okay. You can also download your video and upload it to Blend, but I'm telling you that Blend takes forever to upload. So the link option is kind of your easiest bet. And then you just copy this link. And then you would go to the final presentation assignment. And obviously I'm not a kid, so I can't do it. Now let me click on student view. There we go. Start assignment. Look at this, it's letting me. And website URL, paste, submit. And you are done. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know it did that for y'all when you do it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back and show you just a little bit about the other type of presentation that you can do in Adobe Spark. And that is a presentation. And that's like the web page looking thing that we have done in class. So, oops, that's not, I need to go back. Presentation, gonna click presentation. I'm gonna add a title. Okay, and this is kind of boring, so I would add a photo in the background. And this time I'm gonna do find free photos and say I want photos of jelly beans. I don't know why, I just came up with that. Ooh, I like these candy. Here's some jelly beans. There, I added a cool background. It should be related to your presentation. Then you just start scrolling to start, and you can add text. I want that to be big, so I'm gonna highlight it and I'm gonna hit headline 2. That's one type of headline. Oh, I like the big headline. Also, I'm gonna click on themes. I wanna go dark. I like it to be dark, like my soul. Okay, I don't love this theme for my jelly bean. Ooh, I like whimsy. I'm gonna make it whimsical. Look at that, it matches the jelly beans. Okay, now I wanna add a video about jelly beans to my presentation. So I'm gonna search. Oh wait, I gotta have the actual YouTube link, sorry. So I'm gonna go to YouTube. There we go. And say I have a video that pertains to my research or my book that I think is relevant in my presentation. It's about jelly beans. Look at that. Oh, how it's made, jelly beans. Because I did a research paper on jelly beans.
Is an amazing
I'm gonna stop that from playing for you. You don't need to hear it. Just gonna grab the link. I'm gonna paste it in here. You can also link to a Spark video. So like, I've done this before. So say I want to embed, like I want to make a video in Spark and then do a presentation. So you could add your Spark link here. I did that for you guys for one of your lessons. You can do that. Sorry, I should have done a subtitle. Okay, so then you can add videos and you can also add a photo. If I wanted to add more photos, you can also add a photo grid where you add a bunch of photos. Look at all those jelly beans. Pretty cool, huh? Lots of photos. You hit save, and then it saves your photo grid. And you can also do a split layout where you add an image and then some text. You can add your text, you can make it headline 1, or you can make it headline 2, you can center it, you can add bullet points or numbering. Sorry, these are bullet points. Things like that. Okay? And if you mess up, you can always click on it and hit delete. Gone. What else can you add on the presentation? That's pretty much it. Oh, buttons. If you want to link to another site, like say you want to link to your research paper, you can do that. And then you just put in, I'm just going to use the YouTube link, even though, and then you can actually edit that button, and I want it centered. Save, it'll put it in the middle, it'll link. And so when you're done with this presentation, you can hit share, publish and share, and then hit create link. It'll do the same thing. It'll create a link that you can copy and paste and submit to Blend. So that's kind of my quick overview of how to use Adobe Spark for your presentations. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck. I look forward to seeing them. They're going to be awesome. Bye.